Yours man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, mark it with a bean. Put it in the oven for baby and me.
Finished?
Yeah.
Should Dad talk?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. These rug doctor sent us this. We're going to open it, aren't we?
Yeah.
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 So, it's nearly Christmas. What do you do at Christmas? Have a baby. On the 1st of December. Baby's due. Also, you clean your house because you want to give the impression that you have a nice clean house all year round. So, this is a festive themed video. So look what we've got left.
Wow. Hat.
Santa hat.
Santa hat.
Yeah, and mince pies.
Pies.
Yeah. So, I'll put some festive music over this bit, but I'm just going to eat a mince pie. Don't want?
Yeah.
Sorted? Have you finished that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, should we open it? Yeah. Where's them spoons? I got told off in a video once for using a knife to open a box. Someone said that was irresponsible as a parent. So I'm going to open it with some plastic spoons. Is that alright?
Yeah, miss.
I mean...
That's not really exciting.
Oh no. So in that big box was the machine, which you literally just lift out, click up. You don't have to do it like that. And then that's it. That's it works. So that's dead easy. And then all this stuff, this one, which Effie's called the comb brush thing, which I think is a great name. Rug Doctor should change that. This one. This one. This one. And this one. I'll stick them on the blog if you actually want to know details and stuff, but everything's on the back of them, so I don't need to go through all that. Cheers! It says in these instructions, right, to do not use microwaved water. Who microwaved water? Oh, it smells nice. What?
Is it brush to clean?
That brush is to clean, yeah. What about this dress? Are you alright cleaning in this?
No.
Do you want to take it off?
No.
You want to keep it on?
I want to keep it on.
Alright.
Do you think this is a good outfit?
Well, we're going to use that one, Boots. You know, this stain here. What's that on the floor? There, what's on the floor?
What?
What's that?
Hey, Lannis.
Is that nail varnish? I thought that was a bingo pen.
It is bingo pen.
It's a bingo pen. So should we try and clean it?
Yeah.
Alright, so we need to spray this on it.
Okay.
And then we leave it for a bit. And then we use this.
Okay.
So should we do that?
Yeah, do that.
Right, let's do that.
Then can we do this other thing?
Yeah, we'll do this one first then.
Huh?
That's it. Done.
I've been on a hot day summer. On a hot day summer day. What's that?
Cleaning stuff. Okay, so I'll be honest, it's not completely removed it, but it's a really, really old stain. Well, not really old, like not years, but so it's a really tough stain, and it does say you can do it again. So once it's dried, hoover it. It says vacuum, but I don't say vacuum. And then do it again. So I'll do that. I mean, it's definitely made it lighter, so it definitely looks a lot better, and it's much less visible. But just in the interest of fairness, it's not completely removed it, but smells a lot better, looks a lot better. So I mean, it's nail varnish or a bingo pen. I mean, it's a brutal stain. If we'd have used it when Effie first dabbed the carpet, then it'd have come up. So yeah, but apart from that, and I say that's our fault, not Rug Doctor's fault. Everything's a lot cleaner, smells better, looks better. Feels better. I'm going to do that on the carpet. Do people do that on a carpet? I don't know. I do that on a carpet. And yeah, it feels a lot better. And now the baby's room's sorted, so win-win.